Hey everyone, and welcome to our May update on Shadow Basin. As you can see behind me, it's been a pretty good month. We've got our chairlift up and spinning. The team have been working on the finishing touches, tidying up around the base building, and we've got our Austrian engineers here at the moment, and they're doing the final commissioning tests. So that's why they're running the lift stop-start at the moment, testing things like our grip force, our spacing configurations, and making sure that it's all going to be in great shape for our final testing and certification, which is on next week. We also have down in Car Park 1, that's all flattened out and nice and ready for the start of the season. Our parking building over here is close to finish. We'll show you some shots of the top, which is also all ready to go. Also, what we've been doing a lot of over the last month is our snowmaking system. So we've got all the pipes and cables in the ground, but we've been doing the electrical fit out of our snowmaking pits, flying the guns into place and making sure that they are all ready for the start of the season. We've got the final sign off on that happening tomorrow, and then we'll be able to start up and start making snow next week. What is top of mind of everyone around town is when is Shadow Basin going to open? So the good news, as you can see, the chairs are on the line and running. We've got our certification happening next week. The official opening ceremony is planned for the end of June. But before that, if snow conditions allow, you might be able to get a few sneaky runs in. All right, so what's also new with this chair is our loading gates. So you'll ski up, wait here, these will flick open, ride onto our handy conveyor and come and sit on the chair up here. Thank you all for tuning in and asking us some great questions. And I'm really excited to be riding this lift this winter to see what a great project we've pulled together with our team. Thank you to everyone that has been working so incredibly hard on this project all summer, and we will see you again on opening day.